Hey guys, welcome back to Maribel's Family Time. So we decided to take a quick 3-day little weekend getaway before the kids go back to school. And where are we going, Maribel?
We're going to Big Bear.
So we're gonna go stay in this huge ass house in Big Bear. So we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. And then here's Nevia, say hi. And yeah, we're super excited. So we'll show you guys a little bit of the road while we're going over there. And then we'll give you a little tour of the house when we get there. And then we'll just bring you guys along for the whole time. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. We are here, guys. Open it. So pretty. This is so pretty.
Thanks, Cole.
Okay, Nivea, give me a tour. Take me everywhere.
I don't know, everywhere, but okay.
Let's see. Okay. Let's go in this. This one is my favorite. Oh, nice TV, pool table, handsome husband.
This is a locked door.
Oh, a locked door. We don't know what's there. What's over here?
That's a room.
Another locked door.
That's a room.
Oh. So this is a room. Okay.
And this is the room.
Nice.
Bathroom. And a giant bathtub.
Wow. Super giant. That looks really cool. Okay.
And then over here, here's like a little mirror. And then
That's locked, yeah. So cool. It's so pretty in here. It definitely gives you cabin vibes. What's over here?
this one's
Locked.
This one's
Locked. A lot of
And then
locked
here's
doors.
the bathroom with a shower and a toilet.
Shower. Bathroom. Okay. Let's see.
And over here it's like a little sitting place. And then all the way over here there's giant couches.
Another living room. Pretty. So pretty.
And then over here is the kitchen.
We already have a whole bunch of stuff.
And then,
Another locked door.
yeah. And then there's,
No problem.
It is super windy. You guys can't see right now, but the lake is right there. I'll show you later. Wow, it's windy.
it's gonna snow tomorrow.
It is. It's supposed to snow.
And then come upstairs.
Okay, we're gonna go upstairs.
And then there's a room included.
Okay, so this is one bedroom.
And there's
A whole nother section right here. A cute little selfie mirror right here.
And then there's a little chair, a TV, a bathroom.
Bathroom. This is actually looks kind of cute. Where's the light? Cool. What?
Okay,
That one's tight.
It's tight up there? Okay, we'll be right up there. Hold on.
and then there's 2 cabinets that you can put stuff in.
Another bedroom with a huge TV. I think this is the bedroom that has that really nice bathroom.
Yeah. But there's like this nice.
You guys,
Yep.
check this out. Whoo, this is nice. And then there's a door. This probably goes outside. Let's see.
Yeah, I
Let's
think
see.
it's a balcony.
Have our own private little balcony. So cute. Okay. That's so cool. Okay, now let's go check out that cool room that takes us. Let's go see where that takes us.
And then there's a little seating place right here.
Cool.
The internet.
There's something up there.
Up there. It's a little.
You called it already? Okay.
Yeah, we know our kitchen. Here's a little bathroom with a shower, and then up there as their toilet holder.
That's cute. That's so cute. Okay.
Okay, and then you come over here and there's like a little closet.
Uh-huh.
And then here's a bedroom with 2 little rooms.
Okay. Where does this door takes us?
I don't know, but
No, this one. This one right here.
oh, you guys poop. I guess the kids are gonna be sneaky.
What the hell? I don't know what's over there, but I'm closing it. No, I'm closing it. Because it looks weird. It looks weird. Sorry.
This is the kids area already.
This is
There's this.
another room.
There's bathroom, ginormous bed.
Ginormous bed. Let's go up.
And then there's the stairs. There's
Let's see where.
raccoon statue.
Where's the raccoon? Ooh, raccoon. Okay, you guys. So let's see where this takes us real quick.
And then right here, so you can close it so people don't invade your space.
Ah! I almost fell.
And then
Oh my goodness.
there's some chairs. There's a little sitting place.
Cool little mini TV. We found a little hidden treasure.
And then right here,
What is that? Something weird? Let's go down. So you guys, we ended up getting the room that has this really cute mirror that I had originally said was for selfie mirrors. Here's Isaiah. He says he's gonna sleep on the ground right here.
it's gonna be super crowded.
And then we have Maribel on the bed, and then I'm gonna be on the bed. And Jose probably just end up sleeping on the ground with Isaiah, so the girls can sleep on the bed. They're outside right now. So crazy because it is currently, let me show you. Can you see, guys? Yeah, 2:19 in the morning, and here it is currently 26 degrees right now in Big Bear, and it's kind of raining because it's supposed to kind of snow a little bit over here, and they are outside. They are crazy. And you guys, Isaiah is trying to put on my onesie my onesie that I had just bought for when we do our vlogmas pictures. So you guys, it is 2 in the morning, and we have to wake up early tomorrow to go pick up some things from the store, and we have a couple of like fun activities in mind. So yeah,
Fishing.
oh yeah, fishing is
gonna go
on the plans.
in a hot tub.
There is a hot tub here, and we are supposed to go in the hot tub, and there's a playground. So yeah, I mean, we got here really late, so we couldn't really I mean, I try to show you guys, but I'll probably just take more, I'll record more during the day so you guys can get like a really good view of like the outside, from the front, the back, and certain, you know, places that you couldn't really see. So I'll do that tomorrow morning. So yeah, we have a really busy day tomorrow, and I'm going to go to bed now because I am exhausted. And yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Good morning, guys. So I have my little suit ready. Please don't mind all this clothes that we have right here, but it is super snowing outside, and I low-key think that we're gonna get stuck here, but I'm gonna show you guys right now in a little bit. Maribel's getting dressed, so I'm gonna take you guys outside so you can see like the lake and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, I really think that we're gonna get stuck here. So I'm about to show you what we woke up to this morning. It looks so freaking beautiful. It's like winter. What is it, baby? Oh yeah, somebody dropped some juice right there. It's like winter wonderland up here.
They're gonna drink it.
Who's gonna drink it?
Isaiah and Aiden.
Oh gosh. Isaiah's over here somewhere, and it's actually currently snowing right now. Ah! Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
It's snowing.
It is. You just literally got it in your face.
Yeah, it feels good.
You guys, it is beautiful. Look at how the house looks. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. It's beautiful, guys. I love it here. Let's go around. And we have some deers right here. Look how pretty these fall look. And this just looks like an amazing Christmas tree. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's go. Look at this. Let's go back inside and see if Maribel is ready, because it is snowing out here. Good morning, Maribel. Look, it's so snowing. It's actually snowing kind of hard right now. Let me put this up real quick. Okay, let's show us around.
Okay, the first that I really love is this backyard.
So is it your favorite part?
Yeah.
Okay, take us, show us.
I have to.
Oh my goodness, don't slip, girl. Wow, you guys, and the lake is right there. Do you see that? Woohoo! Oh my goodness, I don't even know now. Ah, it's so windy. Oh my gosh, it's so windy, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the lake. And you guys, it's like a blizzard out here. I know, it's crazy. Come on. Put the hoodie down a little bit so it doesn't hurt your eyes that much. Okay, come on. Ready? It's because it's cold, Mommy. I want to go through the thing right here, though. It is hurting my face too. Okay, we'll come back when it's not snowing so much. I think we're going inside. I'm coming. Oh, it's so deep right here. Look at this. It's so deep right here. It's okay. We can come back later. And then when we find your jacket, we'll do snow angels. Okay. Hey guys. So I want to give you guys a little update. Let me make sure I don't fall on these steps.
I should show you guys around now.
Yeah, because the sun came out.
So my first best part.
Your favorite?
My favorite part.
Oh, look what I got. Come show us. Hold on. Look. Are you going to make a snowman? What are you trying to do?
Trying to make my ball.
Okay, let's go see over here where Rosa. She can actually swing now. How cute! Well, the sun came out, so you guys can actually kind of see. I want to show you guys something. Do it again, Papi. He wants to throw his ball down the slide.
Should I go down?
Let's see. Yeah, Merva, go down the slide.
Hopefully it doesn't go that fast. Oh my god.
You're gonna slip. Go, Mama, go. Go, Mama, go.
Let's go on a sled. Me and Aiden will do
What? Oh yeah, you guys sit down right there.
this. Do you know how to do this?
Yeah, I used to do it when I was little.
You have to move this, don't you?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
Put your feet on there.
Yeah, there you go. And you guys swing back and forth. Yeah, like you have to go back. They're swinging.
I figured it out.
You figured it out. Good job. Oh, and you made a cute little ball. We should have a snowball fight.
That's
right? Here's a little walkway. Don't go over there, the mirror. Oh, it's so cold over here. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. This is how the house looks from the back. And then, go guys, go. Yeah, here's the jacuzzi right there, where it would have been nice. We thought about going into the hot tub, but yeah, it's way too cold. But it looks so pretty. So, good morning. Are you liking it?
Yeah.
So cold though, huh?
Yeah.
We weren't really prepared for all of this. Jose only brought this sweater. He didn't want me to bring his jacket or his snow, which is crazy. You guys, we had to come back inside because my goodness, it is so, let me face this way. So we had to come back inside because it is literally snowing super hard right now. Yeah. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit inside, have breakfast. Everybody just fully woke up now, so we're gonna have breakfast and then we'll just bring you along whatever activities we do. We had something planned, like huge activities planned today, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that because the road looks like it's not accessible, but we'll see. Here's the snowball that I said I was bringing inside, and he's still full of snow.
I got us a little something too.
Cool.
One for you and one for me.
You want to eat it, Papa? Hey, close your jacket for me, please. Let me see. There you go. There's still a lot of snow and the streets are really icy, but we just took pictures for our Christmas intro. That's why we're wearing our little plaid, and I'm out of breath and it's so cold. But yeah, but the kids are having a lot of fun because they're playing with the snow. So yeah, that's it. We're just hanging out. So it's beautiful. We just can't do everything that we thought we could do. So we're just gonna relax and hang out and probably cook for dinner right now. But yeah, I'll probably show you guys like the kids playing around a little bit later. So we are gonna try these, what are they called? So cream cheese stuffed jalapenos bacon wrapped, right? It's a jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese. Oh, jalapeno poppers. So jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese and wrapped with jalapenos. I mean bacon. Ready? Remember? We're gonna try it for the first time.
No.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
What? It's off.
Poppy, I need to find your cup.
Wait. I didn't. Good.
You like it?
All right.
It's good.
Carlos caught too?
It's weird, but it's good.
That's good.
We are here to give you guys an update on our situation. So we are, what are we, Maribel?
Stuck in Big Bear.
Yeah, we're stuck in Big Bear, guys. There is currently a blizzard in Big Bear. The weekend that we come over here, there's a blizzard. So it's a disaster.
It's gonna be hard.
It's gonna be really hard because we're supposed to go back home tomorrow morning, but I don't know if it's gonna happen because we sent someone that is with us out to go get chains for the cars because they said that, you know, without a chain you couldn't go down the mountain. So we go and get chains, and guess what? The truck is still sliding with the chain, and for the other two chains for other two vehicles, they broke. They broke. Okay, so I don't know. We're trying to keep it together here. We are trying to just, you know, relax and hope that it doesn't snow as much, and we can make it down this mountain.
I'm scared because I'm scared if we like just slip like on the mountain.
But that's what we're getting the chains for. And that's why we're gonna go. Even if we have to go super slow, we're gonna go super slow, but we are gonna make it down this mountain.
Okay.
Still having a good time. We came up here for a family member's birthday, and it's fun. I mean, overall, did you have fun, Maribel?
Yeah.
There's a lot of activities in this house, so I definitely want to come back to Big Bear during summertime. It would be cool.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. So it is now officially Sunday, the day that we were supposed to be leaving, and we are actually going to try to leave. So we have everything packed up already, all my snow stuff and everything, but check this out though. Look at this. Like, I have no idea how we're gonna... Oh my gosh. You can't even see anything. My goodness. Good morning. So it's the next day. It stopped snowing. The sun came out, and now there's a whole bunch of snow. So we're gonna go see the lake. We're gonna go see the lake. Right here? They're gonna...
stepping on those.
Oh, really? Okay, go. Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning.
Don't slip. Be careful. Now it looks beautiful. That's a little porch with a little...
I didn't know they had a hot tub.
Yeah, they had a hot tub. It's too cold to go in the hot tub though. It was snowing the whole time. Finally stopped today.
Deep.
Yeah, it's super deep.
At least there's like sun out too.
Now.
The day that we're going to leave. So
Yeah, the day that we leave. Well, we were supposed to leave yesterday. But because there was so much snow and it was snowing, we couldn't. Be careful, Isel. See, here's the lake, and the lake's frozen.
Hold on.
Be careful, my friend.
It's so cool.
You're not cold? You don't have no snow boots. Oh, man.
It's gonna be so
Yeah, you should have. Careful. This is not...
Step in wherever.
This is not water right here, right?
Walk through already.
Oh. This is not water right here?
No.
No?
Water's over there.
That, be careful. The lake is frozen. Oh, there's a little chair right there. You see it? That's cute.
Beautiful. Here, guys.
Where's your snowman?
This is here. I'm gonna try to make the big one. This is a medium one. I forgot how they look, so I'm just gonna do however I want.
They're just 3 big balls, baby.
No, like how like medium, like which one's first and everything.
The big one's first, and then you do the medium one, and then you do the little one.
Oh, well this one can be the big one because it's kind of big, right?
Yeah.
Wait. This is, I need one more thing.
Okay. It's looking nice. Oh, and the sun's hitting it.
We made a house!
Hope you guys enjoy this video.
And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye!